Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two standout smartphone gimbals, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and the Comitalk L7C Pro. Whether you're a seasoned videographer or just starting, choosing the right gimbal can elevate your filming experience. We'll explore their features, pricing, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the price. The AOCHUAN XPRO Kit is priced at $115, making it a premium option for those seeking advanced features. In contrast, the Comitalk L7C Pro is more budget-friendly at $79, appealing to casual users and vloggers looking for a reliable gimbal without breaking the bank. Next, let's compare their features. The AOCHUAN XPRO Kit boasts an OLED display, RGB magnetic fill light, and advanced face tracking and gesture control, making it a versatile tool for professional videography. On the other hand, the L7C Pro offers essential features like AI tracking and is designed for ease of use, but lacks the additional lighting options and advanced controls of the AOCHUAN model. Finally, let's discuss battery life. The AOCHUAN XPRO Kit features a robust 3,200 mAh battery with a runtime of up to 12 hours, ensuring you can film for extended periods without interruption. In contrast, the L7C Pro has a 2,600 mAh battery that provides a shorter runtime, making it less suitable for long shooting sessions. This difference could be a deciding factor for users who need reliability during extended shoots. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN XPRO Kit and the Comitalk L7C Pro have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for advanced features and longer battery life, the AOCHUAN XPRO Kit is the way to go. However, if you prioritize affordability and portability, the L7C Pro is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and